It's a solution that's have been out there, proven in hundreds of customers, and now available in Business Central. The value of what we bring in natively into Business Central is that the solution truly understands the business logic and everything within Business Central, so that when you are bringing data in, you're not just doing a dirty shove. We have control over how the data is coming in, the tests around that data, and whether it is good quality before it goes into the application. And when it goes into the application, it's not just going into the database. It's really leveraging the business logic throughout. When you're migrating data into a system, you don't just do it once and forget it. You're actually going through the implementation. You do it multiple times. The system needs to be able to understand not just how to bring data into vanilla Business Central, but also all of these other solutions that are coming into play. Our system actually is able to do that, again, without extra development or manipulation, just through configuration.
I think 20% of the tool set is being able to migrate data, but 80% are the two things that you guys do magnificently, which is monitor data that's being integrated on a daily basis, minute by minute basis, whatever that is, and keep data actually clean as far as integrations and other imports and people that are keying.
Monitoring it consistently to make sure that you have consistently good data in the system so that you can invoice or whatever it may be that you're doing in the system accurately. Because we talk about data coming in from other systems, but the biggest part of poor data, it is through manual entry. We just get to accept that because we're human, we're going to enter bad data. And then over time, there will be issues and we're going to have to miss invoices or send it to the wrong person or whatever it may be. What's the cost to your business in having those problems? Yeah, okay, it's maybe 5% of the total business, but that's a huge number depending on the size of the business. What we're doing is making sure that there are logic and rules to validate that data when the user is entering themselves. So to minimize that problem, because that problem gets caught really late in the cycle. We're all about catching the problem early on in the cycle, because the earlier you catch, the less the cost will be. There is validation at point of entry to ensure that if there is a mistake, it gets caught right then and there, that it can be fixed before it goes down and trickles into the invoicing systems, for example, and creates a much bigger issue where you're going to have to call your customer, or the customer is escalating to you because you're sending them the wrong invoices. Now you've got to backtrack, create credits and all kinds. You can imagine the cost versus a user just saying, sorry, you can't enter this data because it's not, the quality is incorrect. Completely different scales here.